Hello everyone, welcome to ANP tutorial Learn Chemistry in Easy Way. In this lecture, we will discuss about Mannich reaction. Mannich reaction is named after chemist Karl Mannich. For any name reaction, three things are important: reactants, reagents and product. For Mannich reaction, reactants are compound which should have keto group, formaldehyde and amines. Amine should be 1 degree or 2 degree amines. The compound which having keto group, it should have one active hydrogen. One active hydrogen, that means H plus or acidic hydrogen. Acidic hydrogen, right? And the reagent acidic, HCl used as a catalyst. The product will be formed aminomethyl or aminomethyl derivative, that is Mannich base. Here we have the reaction in which formaldehyde on condensation with an amine and an active methylene compound gives a product is called Mannich base, right? The formaldehyde, secondary amine and the reactant, it is acetophenone, right? Condense to each other and it gives a Mannich base. Mannich base is also called as aminomethyl derivative or aminomethyl or beta amino carbonyl compound. This is Mannich base. Okay. Now mechanism of this reaction. What will happen in this mechanism? It is done in 3 steps. Step 1 says formation of iminium ion. How iminium ion is formed? When 2 degree amine, that means nitrogen atom should have 2 alkyl groups and 1 H atom. Nitrogen have lone pair of electrons. This is formaldehyde HCHO, or you can say CH2O, carbonyl group. This lone pair of electron which is present on the nitrogen on 2 degree amine attacks on the carbonyl group of formaldehyde. This reaction is reversible. Then iminium salt is formed. After the removal of water molecule, OH2 molecule, when it carbonyl group, oxygen atom gets protonated, then OH2 water molecule will eliminate and these electrons which is present on the nitrogen atom make a bond in between nitrogen and carbon like this. Okay. This is iminium cation. This is also reversible reaction. This is how iminium ion is formed. Okay. Iminium cation in which nitrogen bears positive charge. Okay. This is iminium cation. Now in the second step, formation of the carbon ion. Carbon ion is the intermediate. Carbon ion is formed from the second reactant which have acidic hydrogen, or you can say active hydrogen, right? So this is C6H5CO CH2 1H. This is the acidic hydrogen. These are also acidic hydrogen. I have written from the different pen so that you can easily understand. This H plus ion is abstracted by base, then it leaves their electrons on the carbon atom. So these proton abstract by base and form the carbon ion. And this carbon ion can stabilize itself through resonance. This is the sign of resonance. Okay. So this a lone pair of electrons can move here and these pi electrons has to be shifted on the oxygen atom. Then this negative charge comes and again when it comes into the resonance, these lone pair of electrons form double bond between carbon and oxygen and these electrons has to be shifted on the carbon atom. This is a delocalization of pi electrons. It is stabilized itself via resonance. This is a carbon ion. Then what will happen in the next step? This carbon ion attack on iminium ion. So step 3 says attack by the carbon ion on iminium cation, right? So this carbon ion, which is on which carbon bears negative charge, attacks on the carbon atom and make a bond. Actually, it is a nucleophilic addition reaction. It is an example of nucleophilic addition reaction. So this compound, this reactant, which is carbon ion, which is formed in the step 2, attacks on the iminium cation, and this nucleophilic addition product is formed, that is Mannich base. As you can see in the reaction, this C6H5 CO, this CH2 attacks on CH2, make a bond, CH2 make a bond, CH2. This double bond has shifted on the nitrogen atom, which bears positive charge. Now it has lone pair of electrons, and this 2 alkyl groups, 2 methyl groups. This is whole about Mannich base. It is also called, because carbonyl compound alpha beta amino carbonyl compound. This is whole about Mannich base, Mannich reaction. This is very important reaction. It is frequently asked in the examinations. Thank you. Like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and please click on the bell button for more notifications. Thank you.